Hello, these are SolidWorks 2016 tutorials. Now, in the previous tutorial, we created first one part and then we created technical documentation for it. And in this tutorial, we will create another part and we have technical drawing in here for it. So let's start. Anyway, let's click on File, New, click on Part and click OK. Now, while that loads, let's just examine how we can create this part. So the easiest way for these parts with circular shapes all around is just to create this profile with hatch and just use revolve feature around this axis. So basically that's what we are going to do. So let's just go to our front plane and click on sketch. And now let's just create this center line here, horizontal, and now let's just create this profile in here. So basically we can just create something like this. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't matter how you make it, we will add dimensions later and it will all be nice. Yeah. Anyway, is this okay? Now first let's add this dimension of 4.46 inches. So this dimension here is 5.46 inches, right? Sorry, I'm a bit fast. Okay, and this is 3. So let's just say this is 3 and this is 3.5. Okay, great. So we have this small indent and then we have this big one. So we have the small one and the big one of 2.53. Okay, and this is, for this we will use all the lower dimensions just to not mess around. And as you can see, these measures, all of them have 2 dimensions. Actually these are 2 limits, so this is lower limit, this is actually, it's reversed, this is highest limit and this is lowest limit. Okay, now let's add this 0.198. So no, that's not there. This is that dimension, 0.198. Okay, and this one is 0.8. Just to add this 0.8. Great, there you go. And now this one is 0.942. Is 0.942. Let's just say this is just 1, let's say, to see what of our dimensions are defined. Anyway, this is 2.75 and now I think most of it will be defined. Okay, now we just need to add this, and this is, as you can see, 2.16. So it's this dimension here. Well, if we use this for revolve feature, we will revolve this hole down there as well, and we don't want that. So let's just add this dimension here, and this is 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch keyway. Well, 1/2 inch is this dimension, obviously, and this dimension is 0.25. So let's say 0.25. So 2.16. Okay, we have it. So 2.16 minus 0.25. Great. Yeah, so 2.16 minus 0.25. We get that. And now let's just add these fillets. So this one is 0.12. 0.12. Great. Click OK. Let's see, is there anything else we can add? There is. As you can see here, there is a fillet in here, but we don't have annotation for it, so we'll just use our own, let's say 0.1, and so we are looking at this, or we have it here as well, and here as well, and I believe we have here chamfer. This is chamfer. No, it's not. Is it? Oh, we have something in here. Yeah, I think it's chamfer. Let's just neglect this one, or not. Let's just add all of these. So let's add a fillet of 0.1 there, there, there. Let's just say 0.6. No, 0.06. Sorry. That's okay. And let's add chamfer of, let's say, angle distance. No, it's okay. Equal distance. 0.06. Yeah, why not? Click on this. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Now let's just click here and use revolve base. Revolve boss base actually. And click OK. Now we have it. So if we go to this view, we can see all of this. So what's this? Oh, I get it. No, it's okay. Now the next thing we want to do is to create this hole up to this surface. So let's go here, sketch. Yeah, what I use is I just use normal 2 or Control 8, and let's convert entities. Yep. Let's use this one. Great. Create a center line. Just 2. And now let's just create this. So 0.5, right? 0.5. And this here is 0.25. Great. And the height is 2.16. So I need this as well. So 2.16, right? Okay, great. Now let's just use our trim tool to trim all these other lines. And now let's just put this on the edge here. Right, just to define everything. Now let's just extrude cut. Up to surface. I think it's this surface here. Now click OK. Now let's just really fast use our section view. Let's just flip it. Click OK. And go to front view. Yep, it's really good. Now what else do we need to add in here? We just need to add these 6 holes as you can see here, it's a hole that's specified in hole wizard. So let's just click on our hole wizard and let's see. We have 6 holes, so we can just add this one here. So it's through all, we have 6 places equally spaced on 4.62. Okay, so on 4.62. Great. So what we have are simple holes. Let's just use this. Okay, and 70 by 32. Do we have it? Okay, 70 by 32. Yes, we have. Okay, through all. Great. Let's go here and let's just add it to this. Now let's just click normal too. Is this the right? Yeah, it's 4.62. So click on that. 4.62. Oh, sorry. It's 4.62. Sorry, it's 4.62 divided by 2. So we click OK and click OK again, and yeah, we have it. Now let's just really fast create an axis and select this cylindrical face. Click OK and we have it. Now let's just use a circular pattern around this, and for our feature let's just select this hole, and let's say we have 6 holes. So basically that's it. Click OK and I think we are done. So one more time, just check everything. So we have this. Let's go to this view. Let's see, we have all of these, we have 6 holes, and if we add this section view, we go here and we can see that we have everything. Okay, great. So now let's just hide this to have our model really nice, and click on save, and let's save it as, what's the name of that? Part 4 exercise. Okay, part 4 exercise. Click save, and there you have it. Just close our file, and that's it.